Hello, my name is Jemmy, and today I'm going to be guiding you on how to install and the why you should use Jupyter Notebook. So let's get to installing before we tell why you should use it and how to use it. So first off, we're going to go to our PC over here. This is for Windows. So go to this PC and then click on Acer or your drive C, and then after that click users right here, and then this should be different for all of us, or if you're using the same brand of computer as me, then it'll be Acer. But yeah, just the other one except for public, and as you can see, default is the how do you call it, the logo of the folder is vague or opaque. Don't choose that one. Choose the one that is not public, so the other one. In this case, mine is Acer. And now after you click Acer, click on app data. And if you can't see app data, what you do is you go into view, and then you click on check this checkbox that says hidden items, and then it should pop up. As you can see, the folder logo is also opaque, and double click on the app data. After that, go into local, and then scroll all the way to programs, which is down here, right here, programs with an S at the end, like so. And then after that, go into Python, and then go to Python 39. After this, you end up in this page. And what you do here is pretty simple. All you gotta do is go in scripts, and that's it. And now type in CMD, like so, and then type in pip install Jupyter Notebook. I can't type Jupyter Notebook, like so. And click enter, and now it's downloading. Perfect. That's a lot. That okay. I my drive C is almost full. I'm not sure if we can handle this. Come on, please. Cross fingers. Um, I think that's it, right? Yes. Is that it? I think it is it. Okay, well, if we don't know, wait, no, it's not done yet. It's not done yet. But I forgot, it's not done yet. We need to wait for a bit.
One eternity later.
I think until it says done, then it's done. No, it's not done yet.
One debt to society later.
There's an error, I think. Oh no, there isn't. Okay, now once it comes up this yellow thing, and then it comes up this, right here, users, Acer, app data, local programs, Python 39 scripts, then it's done. And now what we want to do is go straight into Jupyter Notebook. It's pretty simple. All you gotta type is Jupyter Notebooks Notebook, and it'll open it up for you. Wait, Google Chrome, select Google Chrome, and right here, as you can see, it opens up our Google Chrome, and now we're in Jupyter Notebook. So let's get into it. So first off, how do you run a Jupyter Notebook or a kernel? First, you go into here, new, unless you already have an IPYNB. It stands for IPython Notebook. And you could just click on that, or you could click over here, new notebook, right here, Python 3, click on it, and now it will give you a new notebook for you to use. And this is a kernel right here, so you could just do simple programs, or I guess advanced programs in there. So like print hello world, the most classic code. Like so. Oh, I'm too used to sublime text and I did Control B. But how do you run the code in Jupyter Notebook? Well, there's two ways. The first way is to click over here, run, and as you can see, hello world. And I believe the second way is you can do something like this. It was shift enter. Yeah, shift enter. and then you can run the code. And those are the two ways of actually running this code. And Jupyter Notebook overall is actually pretty simple. But however, if you were to do something like so, print print input, then we do like your name is in blank. Okay. Oh, I did Control B again. Okay, so it's Shift Enter. I'm gonna try. So now we can actually put our name in here. As you can know, it's input. However, if we were to like leave this untouched, you can see that this is like a star shape. It's a star shaped in the brackets. Instead, it needs to be one like numbers in order for you to run a different code. So if we were to do something like this, print 1 plus 2 like so. Oh, that's not 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. Then it wouldn't actually work because it's how do you call it? It'll just come to a new cell since this code is not finished yet. So you need to finish off this code first. So like this, your name is what? I'll just say Jemmy, and then it will finally run this code along with this one. However, if you were to do this, right? If you were to run this piece of code, okay, and you didn't finish it, and you run this one, it wouldn't do anything. But however, if you were to don't want to run this one because it's like might be too big, or it's like it will affect your program in some way, then what you could do is click over here, which is restart the kernel, and it will just restart the whole thing. Or you could go into kernel and click restart, like so. However, there is a key that is very conveniently placed over here that you can click and then click restart. Then everything will restart, and then you can run these code. Yoink, and oh, I'm sorry, I clicked on that. Restart and yoink. There we go, and I'll print out 3. But keep in mind that if you restart your notebook, then all your variables that you have in memory will be lost. So if you were me, I wouldn't restart it if I had like a program going on. And yeah, that is Jupyter Notebook basically. But there is more stuff to it that we will be going further in later, such as keyboard settings in here. If you're in command mode, oh, let me go in command mode. Command mode, I think it needs to be green, or was it blue? I think you need to be in blue in order to be command mode. Let me finish off this program really quick. Yeah, so if you're in blue, you're in command mode. And command mode, you can do all these keys in here, as you can see. All of this is sticky keys that you could use when you're in command mode. So here we are. However, if we were not in command mode, it would look like this. As you can see, this right here, this border or line will be green, and that means that you're editing your code, not in command mode. And pretend let's get one hotkey really quick, so then we could show you how it works. Change cell to heading 6. No, I don't understand. Confirm restart kernel. Okay, command mode 0, 0. So let's test it in command mode first, shall we? So it's 0, 0. Yeah, there we go. Okay, got it. So what you do is 0 and comma at the same time. Maybe 0, 0. I got it again, but I don't know how I got it. Let me see. So I'm gonna try 0, 0. That definitely doesn't work. 0, comma at the same time, then press 0. Then press 0 one more time. Yes, it's how to do that. So 0 and comma at the same time, then press 0 again. So in command mode, it would look like this. And as you can see, it will pop up restart kernel. You can click restart. If you were in not in command mode, however, and you were to do the same thing, it'll print it out on your code, like so. And the way to exit it is to either just run your code with Shift Enter and then do it, or you could just when you're editing, just click out and then you're free to go too. I can't. Oh, I was pressing period and minus sign, and you're free to go too, like that. And yeah, that is basically Jupyter Notebook. That I'm pretty new to it, so yeah. We're gonna get into this later on, and yeah, that's it for this video. Bye.